we can use reducing to help us find the greatest common factor of two numbers. For example, if I want to find the GCF of 42 and 56, I'm going to put those two numbers into a fraction. Now I'm going to reduce it. So I divide by a form of 1. Well, the most obvious thing to me here is that both of these numbers are even, so they can both be divided by 2. And if I cut both of these in half, 42 divided by 2 is 21, and half of 50 is 25, half of 6 is 3, 25 and 3 makes 28. Keep reducing all the way down, so 21 and 28 can both be divided by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 3/4 is completely reduced, and so I'm done. So now I'm going to take all of my forms of 1. So that means I'm going to take both of these and put them together. So 2 over 2 times 7 over 7 gives me 14 over 14. So therefore, the greatest common factor of 42 and 56 is 14. For our next example, let's find the greatest common factor of 96 and 128. So if I put these in a fraction together, now yes, they're both even, but since they're such large numbers, let's look for something slightly bigger. So for example, I might divide these both by 4 over 4. 96 divided by 4, well, that's one group of 4 under 100. So 100 divided by 4 would have been 25, so this must be 24. And then 128, we know 4 goes into 100 25 times, and then goes into 28 7 times. Well, 25 and 7 makes 32. Now, I know that I can divide by 4 over 4 again. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And I can still divide both of these by 2, which gives me 3 over 4. This time I ended up with 3 forms of 1, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to take all of the forms of 1 and put them together. So 4 over 4 times 4 over 4 times 2 over 2. 4 times 4 is 16, times 2 is 32. Therefore, the greatest common factor of 96 and 128 is 32.